Today, we're taking a closer look at SpotOn POS, a point-of-sale system that has been gaining popularity among small businesses. If you're wondering whether it's the right fit for your company, this review will give you a detailed look at what it offers. SpotOn POS combines a range of useful features like inventory management, customer data tracking, and payment processing into one platform, aiming to streamline business operations and improve efficiency. The system is designed to be intuitive, with a user-friendly interface and customizable options to suit different business needs. One of the standout aspects of SpotOn POS is its ability to handle both in-store and online payments seamlessly, making it an attractive option for businesses with a digital presence. However, as with any POS system, there are some potential drawbacks. The pricing can be a bit steep for smaller businesses, especially if you're opting for the more advanced features. While SpotOn offers a variety of tools, the overall setup can be a little overwhelming for users who are not familiar with POS systems. Customer support is another area where SpotOn has received mixed feedback. Some users report positive experiences, while others feel that support could be improved. Need unlimited virtual cards for business or personal use? Wallister lets you create, customize, and manage cards instantly. No hidden fees, no paperwork. Create a free business account right now using the link in the description. Now let's talk about the user experience. SpotOn POS shines when it comes to its intuitive interface. The dashboard is clean and easy to navigate, making it simple to track sales, manage inventory, and generate reports. The system is designed to be scalable, so it can grow with your business. It also offers integrations with various third-party software, allowing you to expand its functionality as needed. But, while SpotOn POS excels in some areas, it's not perfect. Some users report that the mobile app can be a bit glitchy, and there can be occasional syncing issues between devices. Additionally, the hardware options, while functional, may not be as sleek or advanced as those offered by other POS providers. It's also worth noting that SpotOn POS charges fees for some additional features, so businesses need to carefully evaluate whether the full package is worth the investment. In conclusion, SpotOn POS offers a solid point-of-sale solution for businesses looking for a comprehensive tool to manage sales, payments, and customer interactions. However, the pricing and complexity may not make it the ideal option for everyone. As always, it's important to carefully assess your business needs before committing to any POS system. If you're considering SpotOn POS, be sure to check out the links in the description for more information. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more in-depth reviews like this.